Good day everyone, here's our math challenge for today. And here's our question. Given that logarithm of a over b minus c equals logarithm of b over c minus a equals logarithm of c over a minus b, then our goal is to find the value of a raised to a times b raised to b times c raised to c. Now, if you want to try this question, you can pause this video anytime you want so you can try it first. And if you get the answer, please consider this suggested solution. Now, one way to answer this question is since they are all equal, so let's equate this expression into another variable. Let's call this as n. Now, let's set aside this equation and let's consider first this term logarithm of a over b minus c and this variable n. So we have logarithm of a over b minus c equals n. Now let's multiply both sides by b minus c. Now let's distribute this n. So the right hand side becomes nb minus n times c. Now we will do the same thing in the expression logarithm of b over c minus a equals n. So this will give us logarithm of b equals nc times n times a. And again, for the last time, we will do the same thing to this equation logarithm of c over a minus b equals n. So this will give us logarithm of c equals n times a minus n times b. Now, don't forget our goal. Our goal is to find the value of a raised to a times b raised to b times c raised to c. So what we're going to do is to multiply the first equation by a. Now, the second equation by b. The third equation by c. Now, notice that if we add these three equations, n times ab cancel out. So we have a positive n times ab and negative n times ab. And notice that we can also cancel out n times bc, and of course, n times ac. Therefore, the right-hand side of this equation, when we add those three equations, becomes 0. So this will give us a times logarithm of a plus b times logarithm of b plus c times logarithm of c equals 0. Now, recall that if we have y times logarithm of x, this can be written as logarithm of x raised to the variable y. Therefore, a times logarithm of a, b times logarithm of b, c times logarithm of c can be written as logarithm of a raised to a plus logarithm of b raised to b plus logarithm of c raised to c. And again, recall that if we have logarithm of x plus logarithm of y, it is equivalent to logarithm of x times y. Therefore, the left-hand side of this equation can be written as logarithm of a raised to a times b raised to b times c raised to c. And now, since it is equal to 0, this means that a raised to a times b raised to b times c raised to c must be equal to 1. Therefore, our answer to this question must be equal to 1. And as always, we are done.